Okay, let us see week 9, question 4. Okay. Okay. 9. It is given pentagonal pyramid of one side 30 and the height 60. Okay. We are going to draw the 2D only. So that any plane you choose and take this. Better you go for 2D drafting and annotation. Okay. That is better way. Now select the line command and you draw approximate under 200 mm less horizontal line with ortho mode on. Okay. Now this is XY line. So below top view will be below the XY line. So we can draw the pentagon shape, polygon shape. You take that polygon command. Number of sides you enter 5 and edge. Using edge only. Again you click the edge option and click and drag. Okay, downward. If you drag downward while dragging, you are drawing the edge, one edge. So that edge length is 30. Enter. Done. In order to get the apex, we can draw a line from all the corners to the apex. Okay, like that. A pyramid will appear from the top view like this only. Switch off ortho because we are drawing the inclined lines. Okay. Now the pyramid top view drawn. You have to draw the pyramid front view. You project this corner towards the XY line, straight lines. Okay. Little bit we can zoom this. Zoom, enter, window option, window. You can make a window like this. It will be zoomed. Okay, easy to draw. Now you project this corner towards XY line. This corner is lying on the same straight line, so that no need to draw. Okay, so that apex also, center axis also to be projected. Okay, because for the height of pyramid we refer that only. Okay. Now this is center axis projection. So that you first to draw the center axis. What is the height? 60 mm. From here XY line 60 mm with ortho mode on 60 mm line, and then switch off ortho mode and you join all the projected corner points to the apex. Okay, to get the front view of the pyramid. In order to differentiate the axis, double click on it and you can change the color. Then only you will not get the confusion. Okay, this is the axis. Let us delete, or you can keep it in the projection lines. For your clarity, I am deleting the projection line. When you are doing, you can leave the projection line as it is. Okay. Now the pyramid front view and top view drawn. Now the plane is passing, cutting the pyramid. Perpendicular to VP. Then the front view should be cut off. Cut off will be made in the front view. So that parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP means it will be a straight line. That plane will be a straight line in the front view. Okay. And where it passing through the axis, distance of 25 mm from the vertex means top. Okay. From this here top 25 mm. You first draw one reference line. That line length should be cover the base of the pyramid. you draw anywhere, straight line, orthomode on, approximate length line you draw and rotate this line there itself. Rotate this line according to the given angle. Cutting plane angle is, there is no angle, okay, it is parallel. So that let us move this to apex first, a known point apex, okay. Move this to the apex. Now from there it is 25 mm below through the axis, there it is passing. So again you move it with orthomode on, straight line movement, okay, from the apex. Select, enter and click anywhere and show the direction of movement. It will move. If you move the cursor upward, it will move there. Right side will move, accordingly it will move, okay. Downward you show the cursor and then 25 mm, 25, enter. Then it is moved. Okay, now the cutting plane is placed, reference line placed. According to that we can remove this top portion, okay. Trim it simply. Trim, done, okay. Now this portion, okay, this portion, if it is cut, this line true length is this one, so that you can measure this line. Accordingly we can draw this is the only true length, because this is parallel to VP, so that this edge will be the true length. This edge will not be having true length, it is to inclination, so that don't take this side edges. This line only having true length, so that you measure this line with aligned dimension. Aligned dimension, select this 38.03. These all edges also having the same length only, because this plane is parallel to HP, okay. Then let us go to draw the movement, development. You draw one circle with this before trimming that top portion, you do one thing, you measure this line, okay, entire length, because that much circle we have to draw, entire length, aligned this true length, okay, this is the true length. 65.2 mm radius circle you have to draw, okay. And then take circle, draw a circle of 65.2, 65.2, done. And you draw one reference line, horizontal line from the right side, okay. And this line is equal to this slant edge, okay, 65.2. Then base will be on the circumference of the circle. We know base is 30 mm, okay. This is the base, 30 mm. Then from here we have to draw 30 mm. Either you can go for arc option, this is the center start end, arc option, or simply draw one circle and you can note down that radius circle and draw 30, enter, okay. Now you can draw the line, okay. After that you can move this circle to next point. and draw the next triangle of that lateral, then move it to this point. Accordingly you do. Okay. In a pentagon pyramid having 5 triangle lateral side triangles, so that 5 triangles should be drawn. How to move? Select the circle and select the center big box, blue color box, and drag it to wherever you want to move. Okay. Now draw a line. It's ortho mode off. We are drawing an inclined line so that you switch off the ortho mode. Okay. Now move it at the final say triangle. Zoom it onto the exact intersection. Move it away also, and thereafter you can move it. If you are facing any problem, you can move, pick and drag it to this point. Okay, and then you draw the final triangle. It's a triangle. Entire pyramid shape. This is okay. Delete, and you can delete the circle what you drawn previously, and you will get the pyramid, full pyramid without cutting, full pyramid development, and you can give that dimension also, but we need to draw the remaining portion so that you measure that lower part, this length, measure. That is the same length for all the edges because this is cutting parallel. Okay, 38.03. From this is apex. From here you mark the same length by drawing that radius, that much radius circle. Okay, radius. This is the central point. No, this is not from the apex. This length is not from the apex, from the bottom. From here you draw. Okay, same way. From the base you draw 38.03. 38.06 exactly. 0.03. One time you draw, and then you can move that circle, and then you mark the you draw that circle, and you can mark a see here you mark a point, use that point, or you can draw another. Up to that you trim this line. Trim, select object, it will be trimmed up. Okay. Now you delete the circle. Delete, and then you mark, you draw one circle of radius this much. Okay, and then take line, join all the points, intersecting points. Okay, then you delete the circle and trim the unwanted portions of the apex side. Okay, and finally you can make it coloring, properties, coloring, and then dimensioning of one side of the base then nothing else. If you want, you can do the annotations, naming the sites. Okay. In addition, you can draw one base. Base also, if you develop a pyramid, that base also one side. Okay. So that one surface that should be shown here. Polygon, number of sides 5 and 8. Here you can draw along with that one edge. Okay, the base, this also should be made in green color. Okay, and this is the way of developing the pentagonal pyramid, which is cut by a cutting plane parallel to HP. Hope you understood this. Thank you.